So getting dragon wings to look right is probably one of the most important things when it comes to drawing dragons, and yet it can be one of the most difficult parts to work out correctly. If any of you out there are struggling with how to draw dragon wings correctly and get them to work right, like biologically, today I'm going to show you my kind of process for drawing dragon wings, and hopefully that helps you guys kind of figure it out if you're struggling with it. So I'm going to show you two different ways or two different styles of dragon wings. I'm going to show you the normal 6-limb dragon wing and then a wyvern wing. And wyvern wings are very, very different to normal dragon wings, because when you have a wyvern, they have 4 limbs and a normal dragon has 6 limbs. And so when you draw a wyvern, the arms are kind of connected to the wings, and that's kind of what gives them the 4 limbs. So when you have a wyvern, here's a drawing of a wyvern that I've done, you kind of have this weird, the bicep comes up and then the forearm goes all the way down to the ground, and then the phalanges kind of come out and go all the way back up to past where the bicep was. So it kind of does this weird zigzag thing, and it can be pretty difficult to draw. I had a lot of trouble with this one because it was one of the first times I've drawn a wyvern on the ground. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw those two today. Also, if you hear a low humming noise in the background of this video, we have our robot vacuum Russell running, and he's not the quietest fella in the world, so that's what that is. So I'm going to first start off with the normal 6-limb dragon wing. I'm going to draw this one over here and this one over here, or the wyvern one over here. So yeah. So when you're drawing a normal dragon wing, if you remember back to the dragon leg tutorial, you're going to basically draw the shoulder but facing up. So just like this, with a little shoulder detail in there. It's the same thing, the same idea, but the wing is actually going to be thin instead of like thick like the bicep muscles were. So it's going to go up and just kind of get really thin in comparison to the normal wing. And then depending on how you want to make it look, in this case I'm going to be kind of doing a folded look because the wyvern wing is also going to be folded. So you're going to draw a little phalange coming out here, draw a little V on the end if you want, put a little spike on the end, and then bring the rest of it up this way. And then we're going to do another bend, and so we're going to draw a little spike right here, just like so. And then draw a long phalange bring it all the way back, an even longer phalange with a spike on the end, of course. Bring it all the way back, and then round this off and draw the final phalange going all the way out this way. Just like so. So there's your basic skeleton for the dragon wing. Maybe add a line right here just to show kind of the muscle, and then we're going to put in all of the flesh on the inside that's going to like basically allow the dragon to be able to fly. So just kind of have folded flesh because the wing is folded in, so you're going to have folded skin in there, and that gives it a 3D aspect. And then if you want to add some tears in there, it's just as simple as erasing part of it and putting a little triangle in there like so. And you can just do that wherever you want, however you want in there. So yeah, that was pretty short and simple and easy. So for the Wyvern wing, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So you're going to start out with the typical dragon forearm with the shoulder, and bring the bicep up, tricep, and then this is the part where you might really need an eraser, because you're going to curve the elbow out, draw a phalange poking out of the elbow, and then if you grew your bicep too long, you might need an eraser to fix that. But you're going to bring the forearm all the way down, just kind of draw the fingers on the end resting on the ground. And then the rest of the phalanges we're going to draw a small one here, and then we're going to draw a long one going all the way back up past the elbow to about the same point as this one. Bring it all the way back down. Bring up another one, a little bit shorter, and bring up one more about the same height. And then draw the extremely folded flesh in just like so. And then draw the flesh from this one out like this. And then you would add your dragon body kind of up like this. Something like that. That's not very good, but yeah. And then on this one you would bring your dragon body down like this, have your dragon shoulder here, your legs about here, and then yeah. So this would be about the bring it a little bit forward to the body, and then this one is on the same level as the dragon legs. So I mean, yeah, that was really way shorter than I expected it to be, but yeah. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There is our dragon wing tutorial. Hopefully this helped any of you out there that were having trouble with drawing dragon wings. And I know I said I was going to do a dragon tail tutorial, but you know, a dragon tail, it's not that hard. It does seem like the most tutorial worthy thing, but if you do want one, then please leave that in the comments and I will do one. But I have some very nice plans for the next upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this and it helped you out, please leave a like on the video, and if you really enjoyed it and want to see more, then please do click subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!